Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to change your email on Instagram. So if you've recently changed your email in general, or if you have a new Instagram account, or if you have a new email, then you can easily add it and change it on your account of Instagram. Now to get started, head over to the profile section on the bottom right. From here, tap on the three lines on the top right of the screen and head over to settings. Now in settings, you can tap on the account option right here and then again head over to personal information. Now simply remove the existing email and then add in the new one. After you do that, you can tap on the tick mark on the top right. Now a link will be sent to your new email address that you've added. You'll need to open up your email. As you can see, I've received the email. Now all you need to do is tap on confirm your email. And there you go, you have now successfully changed and updated your email on Instagram. If this video helped you out, then make sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today's video, and I'll be back with more informative videos similar to this.